for some of our reading time, this week especially, because I don't want to start anything new this week, especially today since we only have 4 of us here, but we are going to do some work on a site called Lyrics to Learn. And how this works, let me go down. See, these are all different kinds of lessons. Why am I not finding the one that I want? Oh, there it is. Okay. The first lesson that we're all going to do is the intro. And if you look, when you are assigned these lessons by me, it's going to show you day 1 lesson, day 2 lesson, day 3 lesson, and then you see it has lesson extensions, lesson worksheets. Okay, so it wants you to listen to the lesson. How many times do you think? 3 times. That's why there's day 1, day 2, day 3. So let's take a look. Turn this volume up so people at home can hear. This right underneath where it says A Awesome Intro says how to use lyrics to learn, citing details, fluency, main idea, properties of text, and figurative language. So those are all the reading things that you work on just in this video by itself. The genre has an F, so what do you think that means? It is fiction. On this one, you read 110 words per minute in this video. So it's going to go pretty quick. Okay? And then, you know how when you do your STAR testing, it gives you a reading level? That's the Lexile level. That's what I'll be looking at when I assign different lessons to you on here. Okay? All right, so pretending like this is your first time on your Chromebook doing Lyrics to Learn. You're going to click on day 1. Now, yours is going to look a little different because you're not going to assign this to your class. That's me. I'll assign it to you. Okay? But, do you see the play button? The idea with this, friends, is to have your earbuds or your headphones on, and you are reading this, singing this with it. That's what I'm going to be listening for when we work on Lyrics to Learn as a class. So, you might be embarrassed thinking, oh my gosh, my friends are going to hear me singing along with this. No, they're not, because they're going to be singing along with theirs as it goes through. So we're going to practice this all together today, like we would be doing it if we had our earbuds or our headphones on. Okay? Now, I should be embarrassed because I sound like a wounded walrus when I try to sing. It's not good. So I guarantee you're going to be better than I am. Are we ready to give this a try? Mm-hmm. Okay.
What's going on, everybody? This is Lefty, this is Lyrics to Learn, and this is where you improve your reading using music, rhythm, and rhyme. Make sure you read out loud, do your best on the questions, and before you know it, you'll be crushing every test.
What did he say we need to do? Read. How? Out loud with it.
Pay attention as you read. It's going to tell you all about how this works.
You read to the rhythm, you read to the rhyme. You see, you hear, you speak each line. Read, repeat, in your mind. You got to the rhythm every time. See, I'm struggling. learn. Read each story out loud 3 times. It reads fast or the words too hard. Keep playing, don't worry, let me ease your mind. Keep at it, you're going to be a reading star. Next, go to questions. Tips. Let me help you out and gives you a little Next, read the questions about the text. Look at each question, pick the best, no stress. If it says it's crazy, you know it's not true. That's fast, isn't it? That is what you do. So this shows you how the questions are set up then. Each test you have to work for the glory. Think real hard and look back at the story. It's lyrics to learn, and we're here to help you. Help you read, help you think, help your brain improve. You read to the rhythm, you read to the rhyme. You see, you hear, you speak each line. Repeat 3 times so they soak in your mind. You've got to read to the rhythm if I'm not fast enough. Oh, lyrics to learn. Read to the rhythm, you read to the rhyme. You see, you hear, you speak each line. Repeat 3 times so they soak in your mind. You've got to read to the rhythm each and every time. Oh, lyrics to learn. Oh, lyrics to learn. Oh, lyrics to learn. All right, so it goes pretty quick. And if you're not focused on the words that you're supposed to be reading, are you going to be able to keep up with it? No, it's going to be kind of rough, isn't it? Okay, so for this, I would push stop. Okay, if there's time and we're still working on lyrics to learn, what would you do next? Not yet.
Do it again?
Yes. Okay, whoops, I accidentally got out of it. But, so you would go complete the day 1 parts. And I can't remember, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna experiment with our day 1. So go ahead and, oh, I should send you the link. Go ahead and open your Chromebooks.
No, not.
Angry Birds again. I will send you an email here quickly that has
You know which one is a good email. No,
okay, I just sent it. So if you go into your school email, your Gmail, sorry, I forgot to do that earlier. If it's not there, it might be taking a minute to go through. You might have to refresh yours if you don't see it yet. But if it made it through, it's probably the very top email that you have now. And it'll say lyrics to learn. Does everybody have that email yet?
no.
So go ahead and
Yep.
refresh.
I haven't.
Okay, go ahead and open up that email if you haven't already. And then you'll be able to click on the blue link that it gives you. This is where you are going to need your login information that I have for you. Those of you here, you have it in your notebook already. Those of you learning from home, it's this little paper. All right, so here's what I want you to do though. I want you to star that. Remember how you click on the star up here? And then if you just want it to say lyrics to learn, well, mine's being a pain. But if you just want it to say lyrics to learn, you can X out the other, delete the other things. But did everybody get that added to your favorites? Did you get it? Okay. I'm gonna add that to mine really quick.
There's 3 blue ones and 1 red.
Okay. So now you need to go to student login up in the top right hand corner. Does everybody see that? Okay, it's up here. So student login. Now where it says teacher username, you're gonna type in my first name, and it's on your paper here. So here you would type in Whitney.
But do we put a capital?
I don't know if it's case sensitive or not. Let's try it with no capital and see if it'll let you through.
Yep. It does have to be capitalized? No. No, it doesn't have to be.
Once you have typed in my name, that takes us to our classroom. And then what you'll do is you will click on your name. So, for instance, I'll pretend like I'm Noah. Okay, did you click on your name? And then it should take you to where you have to type in your password. Okay, so get your password typed in. Your password is different from everybody else's, so.
So should it sign me in or put the
Yes, once you have your password typed in, you can click sign me in. Ooh. Then that's gonna pop up on you because I'm pretending like I'm Noah. So once that pops up on yours, go ahead and hit, oh, yours didn't automatically play?
No.
Okay, so this comes up. It's just a quick welcome video. Let's just watch it all together up here. Oops, sorry.
What's cracking, kids? My name is Lefty, and welcome to Lyrics to Learn, also known as L2L. As you complete your lessons, I'll be with you every step of the way, hooking you up with hints, clues, trophies, and all sorts of cool swag. Here's what L2L is all about. We're here to help you improve reading, crush quizzes, and to make reading practice fun. But to do this, you've got to follow these directions. First, when you begin a lesson, always start with day 1. The next time you log in, you'll go to day 2. And after that, Day 3.
just like we talked
Finally,
about.
the extension is where you'll really flex your brain. Since it's our first day, click on the Day 1 button and go to the read along video.
Okay, makes sense? All right. So, we watched that all together, so if you want to X out of that little box that popped up, you can. All right, does everybody have their earbuds or their headphones out?
Mhm.
Make sure your volume is up, but make sure it's not up too loud because you don't want it to blow your eardrums out. And then, if you would like to, since there's only the 4 of us, we can sit around the room. I think Under the Loft people are gone, aren't they? So how about if we flip-flop the Monday and Tuesday names? Sound like a plan?
Me and Haley.
All right, so then, if you want to sit around the room, that's fine. The only thing you need to have is your Chromebook, your earbuds or your headphones, and of course yourself. And then you're going to click on what day? Day 1. Any questions? No? Okay, go ahead and get started with your Day 1 lesson. Make sure that you are singing or reading along with it, friends. Okay, do the very best that you can. Whoops, I know that it goes fast, but try your best to keep up with it. All right.